They ain't on jets. They ain't flexing gold chains. They're sitting in silence, trying to make next month hit different. They're not chasing attention. They're chasing quiet stability. That kind of where you don't got to explain yourself ever again. They skip dinners, skip dates. Not because they're antisocial, but because dinner costs $80 and they're building something worth $80,000. And yeah, it's lonely, but so is being broke with a smile on. They see the flex. They know they could mimic it, but they don't. Because they're playing long game, not highlight reel. They're not rich because they're smarter. They're rich because they keep going when everyone else clocks out. And they pay with exhaustion, while others pay with regrets. Being broke feels like the world turned its back on you and dared you to fight back with empty hands. But wealth is revenge. Quiet, calculated, earned, not gifted. They don't scream when it hits. They just breathe. Finally. Because this wasn't luck. It was paid for. In silence, sweat, and self-respect.